Hey guys, thank you for coming back. So today I'll be doing preventive maintenance on this air handler unit, and usually you can use a 5/16 drill bit to take off the panel. So these units here in particular usually have to take out the coil and clean them out, but for today I'm just gonna spray some coil cleaner on the pan and also throw some pan pills on there to prevent the line from clogging up. Now guys, I'll put some coil cleaner in the line as well. This helps to prevent the line from clogging up. And most of the time I'll use a CO2 cartridge, and I don't use it here because I've already done it the past, I think it was like 3 weeks ago. I'll be also changing out these air filters, which are pretty dirty already. I like to change them at least every 3 months or quarterly. So that's pretty much it for these PMs on these air handler guys. All you really need is to put some pans in the drain and put some coil cleaner down the drain line and replace the filters.